Hey there. Okay, so this lecture is actually a case study, and it's all about thinking about crafting your story or your goal and basically figuring out what it is that you're going to say in your short video. But it doesn't matter if you have iMovie, it doesn't matter what you're using. This is all about the thinking and the planning of your short video. It's the most important process for making your video or animation. So don't worry about the tools that I'm using. However, if you are interested in working this way, this is just a simple iMovie trailer template, and I'm just filling in some text and dragging in videos. And I'm happy to share more of that with you if you want to check out one of my other courses. Okay, in this lesson, we are going to work on our storyboard. Later, we'll go to our outline and our shot list. So you want to make sure you're in the middle here. And you'll see that as I drag my mouse over the different elements, it will show me my text. And this is where we're going to later drag and drop our video or images. And at the moment, let's play around with the structure of this. So let's give it a story. So I'm still not sure if Polana Films is the best way to open this, but we'll keep it for now. And then at the beginning, the music in this is kind of sort of heavy and dramatic. So here I'm going to focus on the pain points of my ideal student, which would be someone who maybe is not happy with their current website. So here I ask, does your website need a makeover? And then of course all of this stuff will be replaced by video. And then I started to put, but you don't know where to start. So again, you know, what's the problem that they're having? They have a website that maybe they're not happy with and they don't really know what to do about it. Where do they even begin? The reason I put those there is because of the music, which continues. And then here, the music starts to change. So I'm just using the structure that iMovie has set up, where the mood is starting to change to something more positive. So here I wrote, let me help you create your dream website. And by the way, when you edit your text, you can decide which text is going to be a bit smaller and which is going to be a bit bigger. So I tried to keep the bigger text to a phrase or something that I really wanted to stand out. Before, I think I had it, let me help you create your dream website, but that was just a bit too big. So I took out the create and put it up here and made your dream website really stand out as the bigger text. So here, the music starts to change, so watch. Right? So that's where all of the video of the new website and all the cool things that we do in the course is going to go. Here I'm still editing, so this is the text that came with the template. So here I'm going to add in some more. Okay, so here I fast forwarded a little bit and I thought more about what kind of text I wanted to have and I entered it in. So I ended up going So I ended up going with, let me help you create your dream website so it works hard for you while you are sleeping, promoting your brand, getting you more subscribers and social media shares. Breathe new life into your old website, and then it will give you the credits, which is where I'll put the name of the actual course. Now, clearly I'm limited. In a way, it's good because people tend to want to cram way too much text into their videos. So this really forces me to keep it short but sweet. So that's pretty much it. Now, it's still a template, but just to kind of preview how it's going to go, I can click the little button here. Okay, so that's what it looks like. And actually I noticed that down the bottom it didn't get my final title, which was Breathe New Life into Your Old Website. Ugh. And of course we want to make sure we have no typos. There we go. Okay, so now that should work. This case study is all about the planning of a video, and hopefully it will help you learn how to write yours as well.